Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone 15 is updated and has room. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open the camera app and swipe directly to cinematic mode. Don't fiddle with other modes. You should hold the phone steady and tap the main subject to establish focus. Make sure to adjust exposure by sliding the sun icon for proper brightness. Doing these first steps sets a reliable base, so depth transitions and focus pulls behave predictably during the next actions. Now refine how your shot behaves. Choose 1x or 2x optical lens because optical keeps edge details crisp. Avoid digital zoom, which softens results. Next, practice shifting focus. Tap a secondary subject to create a smooth rack focus. Once you see the blur transition, you know it's working. Also, make sure to check camera formats for resolution and frame rate. Set 4K or 24 FPS if you want cinematic motion. These steps control image quality and the artistic look you're aiming for. To finish, press record and watch the focus badges at the top. They confirm which subject the phone prioritizes. You can capture longer takes to allow natural focus pulls, then refine depth and change focus points later in the Photos editor. Tap Edit to adjust pull and strength. If focus glitches or bokeh looks wrong, try toggling cinematic off and on, restart the camera app, and retap subjects. This simple troubleshooting resets the algorithm and clears most hiccups so you can keep shooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.